Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I've got my love with food. My love with food. It's a deluxe one for about $20 a month.
I think she got it yesterday, but we're just filming today.
Yeah.
And we're going to do a few videos back to back, so we'll be in the same
Fast
outfit.
as possible, as always.
And there's a few videos we haven't uploaded yet that we took that we did like a week or more ago. So
okay. So when I open it, it looks like this with all the goody gumdrops. Okay. It says clean and bright. There you go. You can read that. And I will gather my snacks.
It just says ready, set, spring. Discover the delicious, healthier snacks and bloom with every bite. Want even more snacks? Save $10 when you purchase at $50 or more with code SPRING at lowithfood.com/spring.
I'm going to start with this because my first thing was like, oh God, but not to use the word same in vain, but it says Bobo's Oat Bites Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip.
Sounds good.
It sounds good, but it looks like there's like coconut in it. So I don't know if there is, but oh yeah. Well, the first thing says organic coconut oil.
Maybe it'll be so hidden you won't be able to tell.
Hopefully. But I mean, it sounds good otherwise. I'm okay with like oat milk flavor stuff. This is, did I say what brand? Yeah, Bobo's. Okay. This is Blue Diamond Almonds, Nut Thin Snack Crackers, Sriracha flavored. I usually don't like spicy, but like lately I love snacks, so I'll either try it or give it away to my family people. This is PB Fit Peanut Butter Powder. It's all like bendy. So I don't know if you just put it in a shake, use for delicious low-fat peanut butter. Combine one pack of PB with 2 tablespoons of water. Oh, you mix it with water. Alrighty, make your own peanut butter. This I think I've gotten before. It's B-Bar Brownie Bar. It looks familiar. I might be wrong, but hopefully it tastes like a brownie, because if it doesn't, I won't want it. And I've got Legendary Foods, Buffalo Blue Wings, Seasoned Almonds. They always give me like really spicy stuff, but
at least it's not the pomegranate, right? Wasn't one
Oh,
of those like
almonds,
pomegranate
yeah.
something?
This I'm excited for. I like the popcorners. It says do one better white cheddar. These are like, I love them, especially the kettle corn ones with that. And then there's the Made Good Vanilla Crispy Square. It says school safe from peanuts to tree nuts, organic and vegetables. But hopefully I'm not doing these all way too close to the camera. Papa's Skinless Popcorn. Pops, sweet and salty. So there's that one. I'm going super fast. There's the Daily Crave Veggie Chips. Breaking news. I think I've gotten these too. They're really good. So those ones. And then popped corns, sea salt. I've gotten these ones. Gosh, these are all like repeats, a lot of them as well.
Well, as long as they're good repeats.
Yeah, that one I
as long
like.
as you like them.
Country Archer's Turkey Jerky Hickory Smoke. This is the kind you get at Starbucks, which again, I love jerky, so it's fine. That's fine. And then they have kosher beef stick, Tomer kosher, the original smoke flavor added. I like my jerky and beef sticks, so that's fine. There's that. So another one of these, if I didn't show this already, toned up protein, peanut butter, chocolate. For some reason, I don't think I like any of these, but yeah, there's that. And then pure protein, strawberry. I probably won't like that either, but that's okay. I'll just give it to somebody. And then there's Skinny Jimmy chocolate peanut butter. I feel like I had this before. I don't remember if it's good or not, but there's that. We're coming down to the very, very bottom. There's Double Dutch, Holland's favorite cookie caramel, like the wafer cookies. These are super good, especially if you have them like with coffee or something. But it's just weird. They always give me some form of that. And the last but weird thing is choose a better sugar, low glycemic, am I saying that right? Index, potassium, antioxidants, just date syrup. One perfect ingredient, organic medjool dates.
Oh, made with dates.
So interesting or disgusting, up to you. Let me know. There's that, and then just a couple cards. It says hello. Let's see. Certified for healthier sugar. Oh, okay. It does. Oh, it shows like the difference of like calories and things. So that's cool. Too bad it's not a coupon. And can I get this last one up? PB Fit is this one? Oh, just a smoothie. It says PB Fit Berry Smoothie, and then it gives you ingredients and stuff. So there's no HelloFresh card or anything. Yeah. But again, all this stuff for $20, and at least you get to try new snacks, even though most of them, as I said, are repeats, but these are, for the most part, good repeats. Let us know what you think of this box, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up for being so fast, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers or less, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.